Hi, I'm Martin Amado, and there are different ways to update your home decor now for fall, focusing on different areas of the house, specifically safety, also home decor, and even entertainment for the entire family. So let's focus first on home safety. I'm specifically referring to all of your home safety devices like your smoke alarms and your carbon monoxide detectors. You want to make sure that the batteries are functioning properly and or even take the time to go ahead and replace some of those dated alarms with better technology like the First Alert 10-year smoke alarm. I love this because it really has a sealed battery integrated into the actual unit that needs no replacing for the life of the alarm. It's a smoke detector and also a carbon monoxide detector all in one. Plus, it allows you to program it to actually give you voice alerts indicating the type and location of the danger that could possibly be, a threat inside your home at that very moment. So again, great technology, and for me, this is a game changer. So from safety, we can actually move on to home decor. So you want to go ahead and look at your flooring. If you have old carpeting that needs replacing, go ahead and replace it with something that can actually be good for you. I'm referring to Home Fresh. It's sold exclusively through Empire today, and it's the world's first and only hypoallergenic and also odor neutralizing carpet available out there. Isn't that super cool? So it does this because it has natural fibers that are embedded into the actual fibers and natural minerals embedded into the carpet's fibers. So if you have pets, if you have smoke, if you love to cook, it helps to neutralize all of those common household odors. And if you're a person that suffers from allergies or from asthma, it's welcome news to know that you have a better option out there, or if you simply want to have a cleaner, fresher home. Now, on the same topic of home decor, we can move on to lighting. It makes a world of difference in your home decor, and a simple switch like taking a traditional light bulb and switching it out to a Philips LEDs can make a world of difference. So it provides a warmer, a more glowing, dimming effect in the house, which I love, but at the same time, you can also conserve a lot of energy. So as you're sort of, dimming the light bulb and switching the settings from higher to lower, it's also super, super comfortable on the eye. So literally making a simple home decor improvement now for fall can happen by switching out a light bulb. Now, during the colder, fall and winter months, we're going to be spending a lot of time indoors with the family, right? The adults can have a basket with maybe like a quilt or a throw to keep ourselves warm, but when it comes to kids, they're very active and they need to be entertained in a different way. So why not opt for the all-new Amazon Fire HD8 Kids Edition? So the kids can still be kids and explore, but the parents can have peace of mind knowing that they're only watching age-appropriate content. So it comes with a kids-proof case, it comes with a 2-year worry-free guarantee, and it also comes with a 1-year subscription to a feature that they call Free Time Unlimited. This gives kids access to thousands of apps, video games, books, what have you, not only in English, but also in Spanish. So for me, it's a great gift-giving idea as we're thinking about, what gifts to give our family members now during the holiday season. So lots of tips, lots of great products out there. For more information, you can visit betterstuffforlife.com.